next piece is we got to connect some islands here. And what I'm talking about, I'm not talking about the Hawaiian Islands, but what I'm talking about is like these three bubbles here that I'm pressing into that surfboard, just kind of giving it a little design flair there. With those three bubbles there, if I just print this with a 3D printer, of course, those are going to fall out. So what I need to do is connect those somehow. So I'm going to make a new sketch on that top surface. And those three islands here, I'm going to connect, just like I connected some of that text. I'm just going to connect them from here across to here. So I'm going to draw a line across. I didn't want to draw, sorry, I didn't want to draw that. Now you may be thinking, why don't you just fill this whole thing in? But what I found is it's good to have holes in here because it allows the cookie to release when it's actually coming out of the cookie cutter. Plus I can use a little stick and poke it out if I'm having problems. So I finished the sketch and I hit extrude. And again, I go to home view to extrude so I can see what's going on here. And I'm going to pick that piece plus this piece plus this piece. It's a new body. I want to go to join. Always want to do a join. Distance -4 millimeters, just like we've been making all of our distances a -4 for all of our thickness here. Hit OK, and that's how you close up an island. So if I flip this to the bottom, I can see those dots are hanging in there, but they're actually connected to something. So that's closing up the island.